So after the colors, we'll be looking into the line widths, line styles and marker sizes. So line widths are typically in typographic points, like 1 point is equals to 1 by 72 inch. So this is what 1 point is equals to 1, and it's 72 part of 1 inch basically. So this is a proper fraction. So now, and is available for artists that have stroked lines. So similarly, stroked lines can have a line style. You can see that even you can find out what all different line styles are available from the documentation. But before that, we will take one example and then we'll try to understand better. So I'll say line widths, line styles and marker sizes. So marker size depends on the method being used. Okay, but now what we'll do is let's plot one figure and we'll see. So fig comma ax is equals to plt dot subplots. Let's go for the subplots, and fig size, we'll go with a tuple of 5 comma 2.7 and execute. Yeah, you got the proper one. So now let me use object oriented code style and then plot. So data, I'll take data 1, that data 1 array on x-axis, and then after that I'll take wo, argument wo. Then I'm gonna label this as a data 1. The issue here is line 2d dot set got an unexpected. Okay, that's my mistake. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. So that's it. We got some markers using the data 1 array, which is plotted on x-axis. So now, so the plot specifies marker size in points and is generally the diameter or width of the marker. So if you take a scatter that specifies marker size is approximately proportional to the visual area of the marker. So there is an array of marker styles available as a string codes. You can look into the markers documentation, and also you can look into the marker style in our documentation if you want to explore more. But for now, let's take some examples and see. So now I'll add xplot. Here I am going to plot data 2, and second argument would be d, the markers, different markers, label, and I'm gonna put as data 2 label. And you see you got the different marker. This is diamond. You got the diamond. The first one is circle marker and the second one is diamond marker, and few more we'll see. Plot, we have data 3 data, and that will be plotted on x-axis. And then I'll go the marker of v. What's v? You will see, not to worry. So label, and I'm gonna label it as data 3. And here is that you got the v with a different color. So you got a triangle, a v shape is a triangle. You got the circle, a diamond, and a triangle. This is how we mark. We'll have different types of markers. Then x dot plot, and I'll go to data 4, and then s this time, and label is equals to data 4. And here is that you got the rectangles, you got the rectangle markers. So with these four we have added four types of markers on our plot. So, and let me add a legend to this so that we can have a clear cut understanding what is what. So the circle marker is data 1, and circle and diamond marker is data 2, that's the uh, orange one, and the green color a triangular marker is data 3, and the fourth one, the red color rectangular marker is data 4. So this is how your markers and works, and this is how we style our markers, and we can have different marker sizes.